Hello guys, welcome to Flow 360. This is Shumon from Mobitech Solution. This is almost our first video to upload. Now I am going to teach a full Android development course, and it is supposed to be a big, a vast course. So I have decided to break it into some separate part. Now first I have to discuss about the tools which we need to install. For creating Android Studio, Android application, you need to install a Java application or JDK, which is called JDK, Java Development Kit. Things need to install. First, you have to download JDK from website. I gave the link in description below. You can download it from there. Java Development Kit, which includes lots of class, after that you need to install Android SDK. Which also I gave the link in the description box. You can download it free of cost also. So I have already downloaded and installed it in my PC. Now it is our first part to create a fast application using Android Studio. Okay. Before starting our tutorial, we assume that you all know Java, because the code started with Android with Java. You can choose different language because Google offered you both of two language. One is Java and also Kotlin. It is official language of Google. But now I will teach you using Java in Android. For creating Android application, you need to know about core Java and also for design XML. It is a simple language which you can learn from W3 school or different website. XML, it is a markup language like HTML, hypertext reference language. XML, it is a kind of markup language. It is very easy to learn. You can teach it from different website. The link also I'll give it in description below. Okay, let's start. First, you have to open Android Studio. Now, depending on your computer speed, your RAM or processor, it takes some time, because basically it needs more than 4 GB of RAM for install. So make sure if you have more than 4 GB of RAM in your system for installing Android Studio. So guys, it is ready now. Now I'm going to create a application which is your first application, which I am going to create using Android Studio. For creating Android application, you need to click create new application, as you all know, I think. Then a new window will appear which is called a project template. From here you have to choose empty activity. There are lots of activity appear here. Okay, different types of activity. I will discuss it in further, because now I am going to create a normal application using Android Studio This is why you need to choose an activity. Now I am choose empty activity from this plate. Now the another window will appear which is called configure your project. You need to configure your project from this window. The name of the first field is the name of your project. Now you can write my first project, fast app. The package name will automatically cover, which is start from com.example.myfirstapp, the name of your project name. After that, the next field will automatically filled up, which is the location of your device. I mean the save location of your device. And then you have to choose the language, which one you need for creating your application. They offer two languages to create your application. One is Java and another is Kotlin. Now I choose Java for our application. After that, the next field is minimum SDK level. SDK is a software development kit. I think you all know about the SDK. Then the what is API? It is a application programming interface. I will discuss it further. What is API and what you need for your project in API, how to use API. So you have to choose the minimum API. See, there are lots of API list here depending on your operating system in your phone, like Jellybean, KitKat, Android, I mean 4.3 and 4.4. This is the version of your API. Now I select Oreo 8.0. See, your app will run on approximately 60.8% of your device. Okay, then finish. So guys, it is ready. Now here you can see two window will appear here. This is called activity. What is activity? It is a UI, you can say, which you can draw on your screen. It is a kind of user interface which you need to create or design. Okay, so before Android, I mean before activity, you need to design your activity first. What is activity? It is a design palette, kind of design screen or UI. Then you need to design your screen from here. Here it is the code part, and second one is .java file, main activity.java. The name of the activity is main activity and the extension is .java, and the design part, which is called XML part, the extension of the design part is .xml. Okay, so here it is a default class which is called main activity class, which extends another super class. This is called app compact activity. It is a kind of super class. It includes so many abstract classes. Okay, now the function name is onCreate. The onCreate function, which is appear just after the creation of your screen. I mean when you open your app, suppose you have a normal application like Facebook, then the first screen, I mean the home page, will appear within this function. This is called onCreate function. The home page appear. Okay, now we need to design our XML page first. because using XML page you can view user what type of screen you want to create, right? This is a kind of code here, I mean simple XML code which start from Android. Different type of property you can learn from here. We'll discuss it about our further classes. Now you need to know about layouts. Okay, what is layouts? Layout is a kind of frame or screen size or different types of frame, you can say. To Android provides so many layouts by default. From there, I mean default layout is constant layout. When you create your application, the default layout they can set here is called constant layout. Okay, now you can learn more about layouts here. Now I write a simple layout. Okay, let it be. Within this layout, a text view, I mean a text box in HTML, which is called text view in Android. The works of text view here, it can view some different types of text in user for user. Text view have some property. Some maximum property you can use here. I mean the required property is here width and height. You need to write here obviously. Then it is the most important property you need to write text which will appear in your screen. Okay, I can write this is my first application. The text will appear in your application. See how you can set the size of your text view from here. The property is text size 25 and the vector you have to use which is dpsp. You need to set sp. This is the unit of pixel. Okay, then it is complete. Now it's time to run. And here I write this is my first application in our text box and it is appear here. So it is done. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned with us for more updates and more video related to Android application. Now it is our first part. You can see day by day, one after another, the whole course in detail free of cost. So please subscribe our channel for detail. Thank you for watching my video.